Welcome to the Autodesk Fusion product roadmap for 2024.
In this video, we'll dive into the exciting initiatives and features that will shape the future of Fusion. Let's get started.
In 2023, at Autodesk University, we unveiled our vision for the Fusion Industry Cloud for manufacturing. As we usher Fusion 360 through the transition to the Fusion Industry Cloud, we are excited to share with you how this change marks a new stage in maturity that will help the product meet more advanced requirements for larger, more complex teams.
Our strategy with Fusion is to bring together capabilities from across design and manufacturing into one unified experience. If you've used Fusion in the past, you've seen expanding capability across CAD, CAM, simulation, PCB design, and data management. Fusion is increasingly being used on more complex projects. So for 2024, we will be focusing on three key pillars: strengthening cloud data and collaboration, going deeper in core design and CAM capabilities, and helping you get more done with AI and automation. These are all about enabling teams to work together more easily and get more done.
A key feature this year is bill of materials. In typical workplaces today, the bill of material lives on one desktop machine and is difficult to access or leverage across remote teams. The larger the team, the more difficult things become. We know creating and updating bill of materials is critical, not only because our users have been asking for it, but because we want our cloud solution to truly address the long-standing challenges of traditional ways of working. Bill of materials in Fusion will be shareable, viewable, and exportable, streamlining collaboration with your stakeholders.
We know bigger teams require more sophisticated data and user administration. So we plan to add more options like new roles, granular access control at the folder level, and customized groups. These will provide more control and flexibility for larger organizations and workflows involving standard or reused content. As we build out these new capabilities, we are also making them accessible through cloud data APIs, so developers and everyday users can extend what Fusion can do. This past year, we expanded the manufacturing data model API with mass and material properties, basic project and user administration capabilities, and geometry export of neutral files in formats like STEP. Looking forward, we'll also be working on API write capabilities, so you can add custom properties to a Fusion model. Write capabilities will make it possible for data from ERP systems, supplier information, or even cost and carbon impact analysis results to be written to a Fusion model. That way, you can have everything that represents your model in one place.
We understand the importance of core capabilities in design and manufacturing. Our primary focus in the design workspace is the performance, capabilities, and workflows of assemblies. We know you need assemblies to be faster. This is why we're establishing a performance benchmark for which we aim to deliver 25% improvement. We will continue to enhance fasteners, edit in place, and configurations based on what you've told us that you require. For 2024, we're planning to dramatically improve the way that you manufacture using Fusion across all areas of manufacturing, including milling, turning, inspection, fabrication, automation, and more. With improved roughing strategies, advancements in mill finishing capabilities, and collision detection during machine simulation, you will be able to manufacture smarter and safer than ever before.
From a workflow perspective, one of our areas of focus is to improve connectivity between design and manufacturing. Let's say you're in the design workspace and you define a hole. However, when it comes time to drill that hole, you want to be able to reuse all the hole information for drilling and tapping in the manufacturing workspace. With this improved connectivity in Fusion, the information you defined while designing will seamlessly transfer when it's time to manufacture. We're also improving connectivity in electronics. Here we're focusing on two key areas. The first is leveraging strategic partnerships to offer electronics engineers unique, connected PCB solutions in Fusion. Last year, we released an integration with Cadence Design Systems that connects specialized PCB technologies directly with Autodesk Fusion. We intend to continue investing in that integration and adding more capabilities and workflows over time. The second area of focus is adding capabilities to the electronic workspace in Fusion. such as transient analysis for signal integrity. Transient analysis allows electronic engineers to determine how a circuit will react to the variations of driving voltage and current.
Autodesk AI is our commitment to developing technology that augments creative exploration, automates tasks, and offers predictive insights. Over the last 8 years, we've made significant investments in generative design. We continue to extend that leadership with our investment in automated drawings. Engineers spend valuable hours every week producing documentation based on existing designs. We have created the ability to save you significant time by automating the creation, layout, and annotation of those drawings. We are also working on opportunities to leverage AI across the entire product development process. Unfortunately, we need to keep the specifics under wraps for now, but we're excited to share the way that we plan to help you work smarter, safer, and easier.
Year after year, we continue to raise the bar on user experience, quality, and performance. We know these things are critically important for our users, and as an engineer myself, I also expect stability and reliability from the tools I use every day. Here at Autodesk, we have a focus on testing and performance improvements because we consider it our responsibility to provide ever better product quality.
What we've shared in this video is only a preview, and we're excited for all that's to come. To stay updated on progress with Autodesk Fusion and gain early access to new features, consider joining the Fusion Insider program. We prioritize listening to user feedback as your experiences shape our priorities.
We'll continue to deliver the new and needed features that enable you to work smarter, faster, and more efficiently. With your partnership, we'll shape the future of design and make together.